Good afternoon. This is going to be a very short video of how fast floodwaters can come up on you. At the beginning of this video, I was on my way across Bardwell Ferry Bridge. It is a small bridge, as you can see. I stopped, took some pictures, foolish me. And I went down the road a little bit further and decided that maybe it was a good idea that I turned around. I turned around, and as you can see in the second clip, things had gotten a lot worse. This is Bardwell Ferry Road in Shelburne Falls, Massachusetts, today. Look at the water. This is getting very dangerous. Oh, this is Bardwell Ferry Road. It's really getting dangerous out here. The water's worse down there. It's really getting bad. I don't even think that bridge is safe. If it is, it's not going to be safe for much longer.